Hello at AskIT. Today we'll discuss drop-down list when one depends on another, okay? But we will do it by another method. The first step is create define name for each column, okay? We will make this define name, and fruit we will make the name by the name of the column, okay? Okay, here define name vegetables. Okay, here we will create for other stuff define name. There is underscore, so we'll do it and it will make an error. We are going here to write a formula. We'll say equal indirect, okay, and from A to, and here close and cut. Go to name manager and make new one, and we will call it 2, and we'll put my formula here. Okay, make like that. Okay, close. Second, we will create my drop down list. Select this cell and go to data validations and list equal my define name 2. Okay, so what we see now is vegetables. If we change this to fruit, so it will be apple, tomato, pineapple. Okay, if we are going to other stuff, it will never work. Why? Because when you are going to create a defined name for other stuff, it is 2 words. There must be 1 word. We could change here to put underscore, or we are going to sheet 2 and make types. Sheet 1, we'll take copy of those. Copy. Okay, and go to sheet 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Paste. Okay, and here it's my column. Okay, make a define name and formula define name and types, and we'll call the types. Okay, what happened if we need less than that? We are by 2 beef and frozen food only, but we have to make 5 rows like the others in sheet 1. It's 5 rows. Okay, so go here and make name manager, and in 2 my argument is if A2 equal to my string, what we call it other stuff, what we call it astra. Okay, if it will be a to other stuff, so put types to define name, and if not, indirect sheet 1 A2. Okay, okay, here 1 only, and make it. Okay, close, and it will be like that. Fruit, it will be apple. Vegetables, it will be lettuce and lemon, and here other stuff we are going to beef and frozen food and prepared food. And you can check for that by make it only 2. Okay, beef and takeaway, and going here to find other stuff, beef and takeaway, just like here. Okay. So we are going to make a formula called offset, a formula by a function called offset. Okay, so let's the reference will be my defined name for this drop down list will be 2. For rows and columns we are going to put 0, 0 and 0, as we don't need the reference to move. If we write something else, that means you want your reference to go up or down, right or left. Okay, your reference will actually exactly 0. Okay, so, and here the height and the width. Height will be count A, to count all non-empty cells. It will include all the range in defined name and start from 1. Okay, and count A for 2, close, and here our width, and it will start from 1. Okay, cut, and here we are going to make another defined name and we will call it 3. Okay, and we will put my offset and OK to make data validation and equal 3. So we are going here to fruit and we will find it there is no empty rows, and here for vegetables, and we are going to here no empty rows, actually it's from start, and here for other stuff, and there is no empty rows, only this one. Why I don't know. Beef, and it will be beef and takeaway, so it doesn't get the third one. It delete all of them and gets this one in an empty one. It will prefer to change in sheet 2, takeaway here, cut, and will be here, and found beef and takeaway. As we have seen that the takeaway, when we left it here, he create a row for it, but he doesn't appear it. Thank you. Let me teach you something about dynamic drop down list, part 2. Bye bye.